Welcome to the next part of the Instagram growth sprint, and in the previous video we were talking about the importance of Instagram stories and how you should construct your stories that people watch it from the beginning until the end. And in this video, guys, I want to share with you the best practice how to use engagement stickers on Instagram stories, and let's begin. The first thing that I want to show you is the create mode on the left top side. So here you can choose any kind of templates that are already pre-made on Instagram. I know that many of you are using extra apps to create nice Instagram stories, but I personally don't see any kind of use of these extra apps and that you have to design this Instagram story and upload it. It does take a lot of time, so I really prefer that you do everything inside the app, and Instagram really offers a lot of things to do inside the app itself for creating really cool Instagram stories. So right here you can just type any kind of text. In the next one you can send someone happy birthday and just tag this person. Here you can search any kind of GIF, you just let's say just fun, and then see what Instagram offers us. Yes, let's use this piggy over here, and then just go ahead and publish it. The next one is the games, which is, so you just insert here the tracks, and then you can press on see all, and you can see really a lot of different templates. Quote of the day, top 3 accounts to follow, pizza top ranked, what I'm watching, and all that stuff. And I feel like people do not really realize that all of these templates are inside the app itself and you don't need to create anything. The next one is asking the questions. We're going to talk about the sticker a little bit later. Here is the question. These are type of stickers that allows to support either it's a small business, or in this case it's a non-profit organization if you want to donate some money. Here is the notification. So whenever I publish news about my YouTube video that is going live, I use this notification sticker, and then I set the timer to when my video is supposed to go out. And if people want to get the notification once my video is going live, they can actually click on the button over here. Once they see it in stories, I cannot do it in the creator mode, but they can set a notification, and once the video is going to go out, they will get the notification in the app. And this one is a pool thing, which is also pretty cool. So in the creator mode, you really can create a lot of different things. All right, the next thing that I want to show you is other features in Instagram stories. This is just a boomerang. I think everyone knows about boomerang. I'm not going to stop here. Layout, so you can upload pictures. You just can drag and drop any kind of pictures that you want to publish in this layout, or you can also create a super zoom thing. It's, you know, just for fun. And then the other option is hands-free. Here I get asked a lot of questions like, how do you make the videos on Instagram stories when you just make the video first with the front camera and then you want to switch it to yourself? Here it's what you can do with this feature, hands-free. So whenever you want to make a video of the background of with the front camera, you just start making it, and then you just swap the camera on the right bottom corner. All right, and let's go for different Instagram stickers and how you can use that. Remember, I was telling you, the more people spend time on Instagram stories, the better it is for the growth and for Instagram algorithm to identify that your content is interesting. The other thing that Instagram is tracking is the touches of the screen of the users. So whenever someone is interacting with your stickers, whenever someone is holding the phone so they can, you know, stop the story and read the text, especially if there is a text, so they want to stop and read it. All these touches are counted by Instagram algorithm, and the more touches your stories has, the better it is for your performance of your Instagram stories. And normally the Instagram stories that do not have stickers or any kind of engagement do not get that many views as the content that has engagement stickers. So what I suggest you to do is at least every third story that you publish on your Instagram, you need to insert any kind of interactivity with your users. And we already went through different features here, but let me go once again through the stickers that you can get from your, basically what Instagram offers. So we're just gonna click on the sticker thing. And first of all, you can add location. Whenever you add location, and especially if it's a city location, if you, let's say you just visited Paris and you put Paris, your story is gonna appear in the Paris section. So each location that, especially the one that has a lot of stories that are using this location sticker, has their own circle. So your story can get on explore page and get more views than usually. So this is one thing. And whenever you add location, I'm just gonna add Zurich. If you don't want it to pop up here, you can cover it with the text, or you can just simply make it smaller and slide it behind the screen. It will anyway work. The next thing here is mention, of course. I think it's quite self-explanatory. Hashtags. In the stickers hashtag, you can only add here one hashtag. But if you want to add more hashtags and you want your story to appear in the specific hashtag, you can just simply type, as you just type normal hashtags, and start typing hashtags. Let's say I'm going to write Zurich, and then I'm going to write Switzerland. You just write quickly. You can use up to 10 hashtags. All right, so and once you're ready and you don't want these hashtags to be here, like visible, because it's kind of messy, you can just cover it with any kind of stickers. I'm just gonna use that one, and you just can cover, or you can also search GIFs in and cover it with a GIF. The donation one we already went, the clock, pool. So here you can ask the questions. What I really don't like about this sticker is that whenever you write a question here, within the sticker, so here is the example. It's very, very small. The text is super small. So what I normally do, I never write here the sentence or the questions. What I do here, I just change the answers to this pool, and then I just write with the normal writing function my text. So just let me do it like this, and then it's much bigger, right? And you can highlight it, you can do much more manipulations with this text rather than with the sticker. So let me just remove this one. About this pull sticker, it is pretty cool because it does not allow users to take a lot of time to do this. And normally whenever I publish Instagram story sticker, I get really a lot of answers from people, and considering that I don't have like huge audience on my Instagram, but still I get really like, let's say 50% of people who have watched my stories replying to the sticker, because it's really fast to do that, and people really like interacting with this kind of easy stuff. The next sticker that I want to talk about, the questions. So here we're gonna stop a little bit more once we talk about Instagram live videos, which is gonna be this video is gonna be about Instagram lives out in 2 days. But here you can ask questions, and then of course you can reply those questions in your stories as well, or you can reply them by sending the direct messages. Quite self-explanatory. The DM button is also super cool. It's a clear call to action button. So whenever I publish something interesting and I don't have this feature to attach the link, I ask people if they want to read more, if they want to have a link to the source, they can DM me, and then I will send them the link, which is also super cool, because it would really help you to, first of all, interact with the users on the private level and the direct level, which is very valuable for Instagram algorithm type of engagement. So yeah, guys, please use it if whenever you have a special offer, whenever you want to share a specific link, but you don't have this feature yet because you don't have 10,000 followers to attach the link into Instagram stories. But this is a lifesaver if you want to share any kind of link, because people can DM you and you can send them the link. The next one is countdown. I was already talking about the countdown before. So you can, whenever you have an event going, whether it's live, whether you publish YouTube videos, article, blog post, or you have sale, just make a countdown, and then people can press on this countdown and they get notification once this countdown is over and your whatever it is goes live. The slider thing is also very easy thing to use. Again, here, whenever you write text here, it's very small, so I don't like how it looks, so I use a normal text function to write a question or a sentence, and then I use a slider as an interactive sticker, and I like to make it small. You can change the color of your sticker by just changing it over here, and you can replace any kind of smiley you want. And this is also very easy thing for people to interact with your stories. So it does not take you a lot of time to put it on your story, but it will generate you a lot of engagement, which is again very good for your growth. And the last sticker that I want to talk here is quiz. So quiz is whatever you want to ask questions. Especially if you provide educational kind of content, you can play with your audience in your Instagram stories, checking how they memorized the information that you were sharing in one of your posts. The next thing that I want to share with you here is, of course, you can take a picture, which is, something like this, which is pretty funny, I think, and then you can add any kind of additional images from your camera roll. And let me just delete all of this. So the other thing is those custom stickers that are updated by Instagram from time to time. They do that depending on a specific events or specific things that are going on with the world. So they quite often update these stickers, and you probably have seen this rainbow avatar and you were wondering why some people have this rainbow avatar, and this is because they use one of the stickers in their Instagram stories. So whenever you use stickers from this section, your avatar is going to be rainbow, and it's going to pop up one of the first one in the line, which is pretty cool. So go ahead and use it, and you again can cover it, let's say with any kind of GIF. I don't know, let's just put that one, make it a little bit smaller, and just smaller. Well, it's not the best one, but let me make it even more smaller. Well, you cannot make it too small, but anyway, you get the point. So you can cover it with the GIFs or picture, and you don't have to show it on your Instagram stories overall. All right, guys, that is it for today, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. And in tomorrow's video, we're going to discuss Reels, and the day after tomorrow, we're going to talk about live videos, and we are going to be done for the part of stories. And I'm going to see you tomorrow.